video, we're going to take a look at a basic U-substitution integral. It would be an integral that you would typically find in a Calc 1 class. All right, so what we're going to do here is we are going to take a look at what we're going to have to set U equal to. All right, this is going to most easily be accomplished if we let U be the cosine x plus 1. Okay, because then when we do that, if we can think ahead a little bit, we'll see that the derivative of that cosine is going to be a negative sign, which is going to allow those signs to cross out. So we're going to start with letting U equal that cosine of x plus 1. Let's go ahead and put that set of parentheses around there just to make sure that we know what we're looking at here. We'll take the derivative of both sides, so we'll have a du is equal to a negative sine x dx. And then I want to go ahead and solve all the way down for dx, so we'll divide both sides by that negative sine x. So we'll have a du over a negative sine x is equal to dx. All right, after we get that done, then we're going to come back up here to our original integral, and we're going to start making substitutions. We're going to have the integral. We will keep our sine x. All right, we're going to replace this entire quantity with u, so that'll be times x. All right, that's going to allow us then to cross out those sine x's. We will still have that negative right there, and we're going to pull that out in front of our integral. So we'll pull that out in front, then we'll have the integral of a u du. Okay, now that's just a straightforward integration here. We'll just add 1 to that exponent, so we'll have a u squared. That'll give us a 1/2 in front, and then that negative is still there, plus c. And then we are done for that part. Now the last step would be to take that u and replace that back in. So we're going to ultimately have a negative 1/2, and then we'll have a cosine of x plus 1 to the second power, and then plus c. So again, pretty much a straightforward U substitution integral, one that you would typically find in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching the videos. If they're helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.